Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Now I have created a task managing full stack development app where it will be taking the all inputs which we have to provide, like how the task is to be created and how we have to look after this. So, hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Kaif. I am from Bhopal. I have graduated my graduation from VIT Bhopal as well as my PG. I have done an integrated masters in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Currently, I'm working under a Tensor technology for an internship period. It is a paid one, so I will be looking for this company to be as a full-time software developer. So now coming on the part of the task which we have been provided, it is the we have created this HTML overview. How will it be looking? How the we will connect to the CSS file and bootstrap using to take the input from like password and making this is the like interface project of making default. I have taken this admin and admin123 as this password. We can like change this and the primary locations, the task creation, everything. How we will be like this is hidden part. Create this task, view the task details, user management. We can manage the users. Now we have this JavaScript for this to make the user ID and match the user ID passwords. For like we have the CSS file for background color if we want to change. Like if you want to green color, what will be the size? What will be the color? How intensity you have to change, more dark or light one. Now let's execute this. We will be running in a live server so that I can show you. This is the login page. Now admin and I'm taking the password as it is showing below. Login. Then this is the manage users. You can add user. This is the admin one, and this is like you can add further details. Now coming back, you have manage users, log out, and create task. Low priority is green, medium priority I have put it at yellow, and high priority I have put it red. Like creating task, what is the title? Like title is exam preparation. Description is courses to complete as subjects, like we take English and maths too. What we have the date, which date we have to put in on, like today's 27, I'm putting on for 29 and 09/2025. Now we'll be putting as a priority, what is your priority, is a low priority, high, and if like for coming up the board exams, it we put at a high priority one, like we created by admin only and it is saved. So you have this pending. The exam preparation due date is this one, and we have the as I mark as complete. Mark as complete will be completed. So this is the task creation, like we have done. This is the manage users. We can add others also, and by users entering, they will be like coming to this page and completing it. So this was from my side, creating this whole under the your guidance, how you have given me the task to complete it. So this is from my side. Thank you. I will be taking for this opportunity. If you consider for this role, I will be highly delightful to be work under your company, as I was looking for this opportunity from a very long time to work in such a grateful environment. Thank you.